To get started with EveryDollar budgeting, first understand what it is. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses to manage your money effectively. To find EveryDollar, go to the official website of Dave Ramsey, a well-known personal finance expert who created the tool. On the website, click on the EveryDollar tab and sign up for an account. You can choose between the basic free version and the premium version, which offers additional features. Once you have signed up, start by setting up your budget. Begin with your income. Add all the sources of money you receive each month. Then move on to your expenses. Categorize them into needs, wants, and debt repayment. Needs include essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Wants include discretionary spending like entertainment and hobbies. Debt repayment includes any money you owe on loans or credit cards. Assign a dollar amount to each category based on your financial goals and priorities. Make sure to allocate every dollar of your income to a specific category. Hence the name EveryDollar. As you track your spending throughout the month, update your budget regularly. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. You can also use the EveryDollar app to make it easier to track your spending on the go. A key concept to keep in mind when using EveryDollar is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards debt repayment and savings. This rule will help you achieve a balanced budget and make progress towards your financial goals. Best practices to keep in mind when using EveryDollar include regularly reviewing and updating your budget, avoiding impulse purchases, and prioritizing needs over wants. By following these best practices and using EveryDollar consistently, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial stability.